All right, so I wanted to take this time, go over a little problem I was having. This is a 2015 Razor 570, 570s, 800s, I believe even 900s. The 1000s are about the only ones that are different. But this is a Razor 570, and the problem that I was having, you walk over here and hit key, foot on the brake, and nothing. Don't start. So, almost like you don't have your foot on the brake. What I did down here, you can also get to it coming from this side right here. You can see, let me see if I can zoom in here. Right there. That is your brake sensor, if you will. What happens is, I'm going to go ahead and plug this back in real quick, but for demonstration purposes, there's two slides, if you will. You see there's two tabs right there and right there. I'm going to plug this back in. What happens is, because it's so low and it's so close to the tire, much of mud will get packed up in there, and all I did was slide it off. There's no push thing, nothing like that. You just slide it off, slide it on. Slid it off, took a wire brush to the prongs down there, just cleaned them up best I could, and did the same thing. I rolled that plug over and took the wire brush and scrape. Now, because no fuses were blown or nothing like that. That's what got me. Now, it's gonna make a liar out of me. Jiggle that a little bit. There you have it. I may need to get a new one of those, but just the more you know. You might be stuck somewhere and oh, what the hell. So I'm going to clean that up some more and dial it, grease it, and all that good stuff. But that'll get you out of the pinch. All I did right there, I took it where it was fully seated and wiggled it back a little bit to where I felt it kind of bind up the most, and left it in that spot. All right, have a good day.